Hi friends, welcome to Yoga Coaching. In this video, I am going to provide a checklist for the Scrum Masters to conduct the daily Scrum meeting effectively. You can use this checklist as a reference and add additional item into the checklist based on your experience and learnings. I have also listed the daily Scrum checklist details in the description section of this video. Now let's understand about the checklist in detail. Conducting an effective daily scrum or daily stand-up meeting is essential for keeping the team aligned and focused. This checklist will help the scrum masters to facilitate the successful daily scrum meeting. You can ensure the following checks before conducting the daily scrum meeting. Set the time and place. Schedule the daily scrum at the same time and location every day to create a routine. It will be easy for the team members to plan and attend the daily scrum meeting without any delay. Remind the team members about the daily scrum meeting's purpose. Ensure that the team members are aware of the daily scrum and its importance. Prepare the space. Arrange the meeting space to encourage standing and maintain focus. It's a good idea to have the scrum board to see the progress of the team's goal in the place. Time box. Communicate the time box for the meeting, usually 15 minutes to the team. This can be the regular reminder when the team is exceeding the time. Make sure that the collaboration tools and Scrum boards are available for the team with the necessary access all the days. Ensure that a backup Scrum Master is identified in the team to run the meeting during Scrum Master's absence. These activities should be done before daily Scrum meeting, and you can keep this as a checklist. You can check and ensure the following checks during the daily Scrum meeting. Start on time. Begin the meeting promptly even if not all the team members are present. This will encourage the team members to join the meeting on time in future and bring the discipline. Stick to the 3 questions and ask the team members to share the update on these 3 questions only. What did I accomplish since the last daily scrum? What will I work on until the next daily scrum? Are there any impediments or roadblocks in my way? Focus on the individuals. Each team member should address their own progress, not the team's progress as a whole. Keep it brief. Encourage team members to keep their updates concise and typically under 1 minute. Stay positive. Encourage a positive and collaborative tone. The daily scrum is not a reporting session but a coordination opportunity. Listen actively. Ensure that the team members are actively listening to each other's updates. Impediments. If any team members mention an impediment, make a note of it without going into the details during the meeting. No problem solving in the meeting. Avoid diving into the problem solving discussion during the daily scrum. If needed, arrange a separate meeting to address the impediments. Stand up. The physical act of standing can help keep the meeting focused and time efficient. Now let's understand the checklist which can be followed by the Scrum Master after the daily Scrum meeting. Follow up. If necessary, follow up with individual team members to gather additional information or provide assistance. Address impediments. After the meeting, work with the team to address any impediment if it is raised in the meeting. Send the meeting minutes about the action items to the entire team. Check the sprint progress and help the team to meet their sprint goal. So these are all the checklists the Scrum Master can use after the daily Scrum meeting. I am also providing few additional checklist items for the Scrum Master's self-development to play the role well. Rotate speaking order. To keep team members engaged, consider rotating the order in which the team members speak each day. Coach, don't control. As a Scrum Master, guide the team to follow the daily Scrum process but avoid taking control of the meeting. You can keep this as a checklist to retrospect your activities. Location flexibility. If the team is distributed, consider using video conferencing tool for remote team members. Empower self-organizing. Encourage team members to coordinate and solve their own challenges whenever possible. Continuous improvement. Regularly reflect on the daily Scrum process with the team to identify any adjustment or improvements. The goal of the daily Scrum is to foster transparency, communication, and alignment within the team. You can use this checklist to evaluate and see if there is any improvement action that can be taken by the Scrum Master and also by the team. Hope this video is useful to you. Please click the like button and leave your comments and questions below. I will respond to your comments as soon as possible. Thank you.